So I'm Ben. My name's Ben. I've been for decades now. I'm probably a role model and inspirational, I think of it that way. Let's see what we're supposed to say. Actually, we've only been buds for about 4 years now. It's kind of been, it's been quite a whirlwind romance between us. Really special. I was trying to think of something nice to say about Leo, like why I like him. It took forever, but I thought of something that would work. So I'm just going to spitball this, and if it sticks, take it. No, it's rare that I'm not going to get serious. It's awkward. It's rare to find I think real role models in life. Maybe you look up to for the right reasons. When you do, they're generally not 4 months younger than you. I didn't know Leo before he was led to Christ, but I'm consistently challenged and held accountable to that man that he is now. He's who I want to be when I grow up. I know of no man that has more integrity, is more fair, is more honest, even when it costs him, or more compassionate. I've never heard a man talk about his parents so often and so lovingly as Leo does either. In fact, bear with me. Hay una posibilidad buena, si me entienden, que son familia de Leo. Y si son familia de Leo, conocen el gran hombre que es. These are real words if you guys don't know. It amazed me too, but everything means it. Pienso altamente de ustedes porque Leo habla altamente de ustedes. Realice que tenía que mirar cuánto aprecio de mi madre cuando oigo Leo hablar de cuánto él ama a su madre, y su padre, y su hermano. Nunca he estado alrededor de alguien que habla tan cariñoso de su familia tan a menudo. Leo me inspira. Y es una bendición de Dios que hoy una mujer que es tan especial como él se une con su familia. Gracias por criar a un hombre que ha hecho un impacto en las vidas de muchos. I think I'm at like a minute and 10, so I got 50 seconds left. 13 years ago, I had my first nephew. This probably quick. I never knew there was different types of love, and all of a sudden, I held this newborn in my hands, and it like devastated me, and changed my life. And until today, it's weird. I don't mess with my nephew. It's just this overwhelming. I can't explain it. I say that to say this. I was gone for a while, about a year and a half ago, and for 5 months. Leo and actually Tim and John and other people came up and met up with me on a mission trip to Africa. And it was good to see him again. Long distance romances really are tough. And so we hugged and we swung each other in circles for like 20 minutes. but there was something different about Leo. I could tell it, I could just tell, I know what it was. It was just, he was different. And a few hours later, really the first time we were able to talk one-on-one, he immediately the first thing he says over one-on-one is you're going to be my best man. And nothing else, it's just, you're your best man. He's like, and I notice I know you got brothers, so if I can't be your best man, that's cool, no problem. You're my best man. And it was, let me see where I'm at now. Yeah, it seemed weird. It seemed like random and hilarious, and I was going to play on making fun of him. But then it just kind of hit me. And I remembered the experience with my nephew. And what I knew then was while I was gone in those 5 months, that it clicked for him. And that Leo's love for Jessica, there was something that today I don't understand it. He found, not like that. I just don't know. What I meant was I don't know what they had. It's later on. It's later on. But they found, what I knew they found was just the life-changing love in a way that I had experienced, kind of understood a little bit years back. And I may not understand it, but I could recognize it immediately. And from that day until today, until this morning when we were hanging out, as early video games have been, from that day until today, if he talks about her, which is all the time, that fire is in his eyes. And today is such a joyful day for me because it's everything he's wanted for the last 2 years. So, we want to raise a glass to the extremely average Leo and the stunningly beautiful Jessica.